What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making holiday special number 2, and this is going to be a Jamaican fruit cake. This is a recipe that I found from Tiona Style, my Jamaican sister, and I'm going to try it out because she made it look very easy, so I'm going to give it a try. I have 2 cups of flour here. I have some rum, I have some burnt sugar. I tried to follow the recipe to the T. The only thing I didn't have is the same brands of wine and the same brands of rum, baking powder, allspice, rose water. These are all 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon almond extract, vanilla, almond essence, mixed essence if you have, and I have like a vanilla flavor, cinnamon, 4 large eggs, 3/4 cup of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 lemon zest and 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon nutmeg. I'm going to leave all the accurate information down in the description, what I missed. So let me tell you guys, over the years I've made fruitcakes several times. I've followed different recipes because, I haven't found the recipe that tastes exactly how like my aunt makes it. And I tried my aunt's recipe, but it did not come out how she made it. So I tried different recipes just to see what works. And I never give up. I never give up, so I just keep trying until I find the recipe that I love the best. So right here I'm just going ahead and mixing all the ingredients together. So I'm mixing the wet ingredients first. So I'm just mixing all the essence, the eggs, the rose water, the sugar, the oil, mixing all those wet ingredients together. And then I'm going to be mixing the fruit with this also. And then I'm going to be mixing the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. So let me tell you, right? I forgot to add the dry ingredients to the dry mixture. So you'll see like later on in the video, like I just start throwing stuff together because I forgot to add the cinnamon, the allspice, and all the dry ingredients with the flour. So don't do what I do, okay? Do the right thing. Mix all the dry ingredients together, like the baking powder and the flour. Mix those together, and then mix all the wet stuff together, and then combine it. That's what's supposed to happen, but that's not what I did in this video. This is the fruits. Listen, thank you, big shout out to Tiona Styles. Thank you so much. I'm just going to give you a shout out in advance because I did taste a piece of the fruitcake. This is after editing. I did taste a piece of the fruitcake, and let me tell you, the texture is on point. And it tastes good. So the next time I make it, I'm definitely going to be using the red label wine that she recommends, because I feel like I'll get a stronger taste with that one. And let me see, I'll definitely use plain rum because the passion fruit rum, it have like a little flavor to it. So I'll just use the plain rum. And yeah, I feel like this recipe is really easy and it turned out really good. So thank you so much for watching. Enjoy. So I'm just going to be mixing up, baking up, and it's pretty straightforward. I'll leave all the information down in the description. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, I'm doing holiday specials every Friday until Christmas. So stay tuned for that. Bye. The ones I'm giving away, I went ahead and added some wine to the top, and it came out really good. Definitely try this recipe.